I'm often asked what a withhold of adjudication is in a criminal case. Florida has this thing, for lack of a better term, called a withhold of adjudication. And the difference between a withhold and a conviction is this. Think of a criminal conviction as a two-step process. The first step is that you plead guilty or a jury finds you guilty. The second step is the judge says, because you are guilty, I am now going to convict you of this crime. Well, what a withhold is, it stops that process after the first step. When you receive a withhold of adjudication, it's as if the judge says, well, you are guilty, but I'm not going to convict you. And why is that important, the difference between a withhold and a conviction? Well, there's a number of reasons why a withhold is important. One is because you are not convicted, and therefore you don't have the penalties of a felony conviction, for example. If you are a convicted felon, you lose the right to vote in Florida forever. If you are a convicted felon, you lose the right to possess firearms or ammunition. You also lose the right to hold public office. If you receive a withhold of adjudication on a felony, you are not a convicted felon, and you don't lose those rights. So that's one important difference. A second important difference comes to sealing and expunging, and I've explained that process in another video. But you cannot seal or expunge a conviction. In fact, if you are convicted of a crime, misdemeanor or felony, you lose forever your right to seal or expunge any criminal offense in Florida. So that's another important difference between a conviction and a withhold. Why do they give withholds of adjudication? It's generally for first-time offenders or for people that don't have a significant criminal history. Talk to me more about your case, and I can explain to you if you are likely to qualify to have a withhold, and I'd be happy to help you out.